The hmong story is one of survival, strength, and adaptation. We've been pushed out of every land we've lived in, from China to Laos, from the jungle to refugee camps. And still, we survive. In America, we started with nothing. Many of our parents and grandparents couldn't speak English. They worked in factories, farms, and took any job they could get. But they built communities. They raised doctors, teachers, entrepreneurs, and creators. Today, Hmong people are in politics, movies, sports, and social media. We're telling our stories, representing our people, and preserving our roots. Whether you speak perfect Hmong or not, whether you're traditional or modern, you're part of that legacy. Every generation is a step forward. And even though we've lost a lot, we've never lost who we are. We're Hmong. We're here. And we're still rising. Follow for more, thank you.